For top-notch awning window installation in Brandon, Florida, trust the Brandon window experts. Our team specializes in custom awning windows Brandon, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. With a focus on energy-efficient awnings, we provide solutions that enhance your home's comfort and reduce energy costs. Our Brandon window services include everything from installation to maintenance, ensuring your awning windows Brandon remain in peak condition. When it comes to awning window installation, Brandon, Florida residents rely on our expertise. Our Brandon, Florida awning window installation services are designed to address any issues promptly, restoring your awning windows Brandon to their original functionality. We offer comprehensive window replacement services in Brandon, Florida, ensuring your home is equipped with the latest in window technology. Explore our wide range of awning window styles in Brandon, Florida. Our window design services in Brandon, Florida cater to all tastes, offering a variety of options to suit your home's aesthetic. Whether you're interested in traditional or modern designs, our Brandon, Florida window professionals for awnings can help you find the perfect match for your awning windows Brandon. For those seeking storm protection awning windows in Brandon, our solutions provide peace of mind. Our Brandon, Florida window solutions for awnings include durable, high-quality options that withstand harsh weather conditions. Trust our Brandon, Florida window contractors for awnings to deliver superior protection and style for your awning windows Brandon. Awning window maintenance in Brandon, Florida is crucial for longevity and performance. Our Brandon, Florida window experts for awnings offer regular maintenance services to keep your awning windows Brandon in top shape. From cleaning to hardware adjustments, our team ensures your windows operate smoothly and efficiently. Upgrade your home with awning window upgrades in Brandon, Florida. Our Brandon window specialists offer a range of options to enhance your awning windows Brandon's functionality and appearance. Whether you're looking for improved energy efficiency or aesthetic enhancements, our awning window customization in Brandon, Florida delivers exceptional results for your awning windows Brandon. For those interested in awning window consultation in Brandon, Florida, our team provides expert advice and guidance. Our Brandon, Florida window professionals for awnings are here to help you make informed decisions about your window needs. From selection to installation, we ensure a seamless process for your awning windows Brandon. Our awning window cleaning services in Brandon keep your windows looking pristine. Regular cleaning not only enhances the appearance but also extends the life of your awning windows Brandon. Trust our window hardware specialists in Brandon, Florida to provide thorough cleaning and maintenance services for your awning windows Brandon. Discover the benefits of awning window efficiency in Brandon, Florida. Our energy-efficient awning windows in Brandon are designed to reduce energy consumption and improve indoor comfort. With our window glass services in Brandon, Florida, you can enjoy clear, high-performance windows year-round, including your awning windows Brandon. For custom awning windows in Brandon, Florida, our team offers unparalleled craftsmanship and attention to detail. Our window frame services in Brandon, Florida ensure a perfect fit and finish for your custom awning windows Brandon. Trust our Brandon, Florida awning window experts to deliver exceptional quality and service for your awning windows Brandon. For top-notch awning window installation in Brandon, Florida, trust the Brandon window experts. Our team specializes in custom awning windows Brandon and offers a wide range of awning window styles to suit any home. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient awnings or storm protection windows, our Brandon Window Solutions have you covered for your awning windows Brandon. Brandon, Florida awning window installation services are essential for maintaining the longevity and efficiency of your awning windows Brandon. Our Brandon window professionals provide comprehensive awning window maintenance and cleaning services to ensure your awning windows Brandon remain in peak condition. From window hardware Brandon to window glass services Brandon, Florida, we handle it all for your awning windows Brandon. Upgrade your home with awning window customization Brandon, Florida. Our Brandon window specialists offer a variety of awning window options, including energy-efficient awning windows Brandon and storm protection awning windows Brandon. With our window replacement services in Brandon, Florida, you can enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality with awning windows Brandon. For expert awning window consultation Brandon, Florida, look no further than our Brandon, Florida window professionals for awnings. We provide personalized window design services Brandon, Florida, ensuring your custom awning windows Brandon, Florida meet your specific needs. Our window frame services Brandon, Florida and awning window parts Brandon, Florida guarantee a perfect fit and finish for your awning windows Brandon. Choose Brandon, Florida window contractors for awnings to handle your awning window installation Brandon, Florida. Our team is dedicated to delivering high-quality window replacement Brandon and awning window upgrades in Brandon, Florida. With our expertise in window design Brandon, we create beautiful, functional spaces tailored to your preferences, especially for your awning windows Brandon. Ensure your windows are in top shape with awning window maintenance Brandon, Florida. Our Brandon, Florida window experts for awnings offer comprehensive services, including awning window cleaning services Brandon and window hardware specialists Brandon, Florida. Trust us for all your awning window efficiency Brandon, Florida needs with your awning windows Brandon. Explore the best awning window options in Brandon, Florida with our Brandon, Florida awning window experts. We provide a wide range of awning window styles in Brandon, Florida, from traditional to modern designs. Our Brandon, Florida window solutions for awnings are designed to enhance your home's curb appeal and energy efficiency with your awning windows Brandon.